Namaste, my dear friends, and good morning. Let's perform this morning yoga practice together to wake up our body and to get ready for an amazing, productive day. Please take a seated position with your legs crossed, if you can, or you can sit even in Vajrasana or Virasana, any you prefer. I would sit in Vajrasana with you. And from here, we start with our neck. We bring our head forward and with an inhale back. Exhale forward and back. Couple more times. To the center. Now inclining of the head to the right and to the left. As fast or as slow as you want. Maybe you already had breakfast. Maybe you just woke up 2 minutes ago. And twisting of the neck. We bring the head, turning it to the right and to the left. To the center once again. And bringing head down with an inhale. We do half a round. And with an exhale, we bring head down once again. Inhale. And exhale one more time in this direction. Inhale. And exhale. And to the left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Finished with the neck. And now bring your hands up. Make a lock with your fingers. Palms facing up. And stretch as much as you can up to the sky. From here, a couple movements to the right and to the left, warming up the spine. It's easier to do this if you're in the cross-leg position. You will have more balance. Once again, stretching up. And with the exhale, we twist to the right. Bring your left hand on your right thigh and gazing through the right shoulder. Right hand is behind the back. Breathing with the belly. And once again to the center. Hands up, stretching up. And with that exhale, twisting to the left. From here we go to the center and on all fours. Couple movements in Madhyasana pose. Exhale, back is round. Inhale, arcing the back. Exhale, round the back. The chin goes to the chest. Inhale, top of the head stretching up, gazing up and in front. Exhale and inhale. Raise your knees. Leave your legs bend in the knees. And slowly trying to go in that Adho Mukha Svanasana position. Doing some paddling. And whenever you're ready, start making small steps towards your hands. Stretching with your hands in front. Stretching the back all the way from the top of the head till the tailbone. Feel the stretching in your backside of the legs. A couple of breaths here. And with the exhale, doing Uttanasana as much or as little as you can, you bend. You can even stay here with your hand as a support. Couple breaths. With the inhale, we raise our head at the half distance, let's say, to even the pressure. And with the next inhale, we stand in Dandasana pose. Couple breaths in Tadasana. Whole body is very strong, trying to start working on all of the muscles. Try to feel your legs, your hands. With the round movements, bring your shoulders up and back. Gaze forward. From here, hands up. And take your wrist with the fingers of the left wrist with the fingers of your right hand. And from here, we stretch up and right. You can gaze down or up as you wish, stretching the left side of the body. And once again, with the inhale to the center, grab your right wrist with the fingers of your left hand, and with the exhale, we tilt to the left. Gazing down or up. Inhale up and exhale all the way down. Tadasana. Just one more breath. Once again, hands up. And we fold once again with the exhale. Bring your legs back. And from here, we do the plank pose. 5 breaths. And be sure that there is one straight line from the top of the head till your heels. Don't put your pelvis up. The belly is very strong. The tailbone is tucked in. Fingers are spread. Don't simply putting pressure, trying to sustain this pose, but you need to push away with your hands very well. And now put your knees on the ground. And with the exhale, we go to the baby pose, bringing your forehead on the knees, the bridge of your foot on the floor, the hands near your thighs. Close your eyes, and we'll do a couple breaths here. With the next inhale, we're going to the seated position. We do Paschimottanasana, the stretching of the back side of our body, the western side. And first we perform the Dandasana pose, the staff pose. And you're gazing forward. Inhale, hands up. And with the exhale, we tilt down. Don't try to completely bend to the knees and touch your shins with your forehead. Here we're simply warming up our body, stretching it in all directions. And 3 more breaths. The next inhale, start raising up. Bend your right leg in the knee and bring your foot from the outer side of your left thigh. We do Matsyendrasana pose, Ardha Matsyendrasana. And we will perform the twist to the right. In order to do that, you can either lift your left hand, trying to put your elbow behind your knee. If it's already too hard for you, you can simply grab your knee, your thigh with your left hand. Bring your right foot behind your back. And with a twist, gazing, behind your back, to the right. You stay in this position. If this is too easy for you and you feel comfortable here, you can bring your elbow behind your knee and deeper and deepen your twist. One more time, inhale, exhale. And with the exhale, we come back. Bring both legs in Dandasana pose. And now bend your left knee. Bring the foot of the left knee on the outer side from your right thigh. And now we twist to the left. Once again, you can simply grab your thigh, your knee like that, and you can simply gaze to the left. You don't need to really twist your body and push it, especially if it's early morning. Don't force it. Simply like work towards this direction. And when you feel more comfortable, you can enlarge a bit the twist. And once again, you can bring your elbow behind the knee. And once again, we come back in the Dandasana pose. Bring your legs in the seated position with your legs crossed. And from here, we will do a couple movements with our back. We'll do some circles to warm up our hips. And in another direction. Very well. Now we change the sides. So if you were, for example, in the Siddhasana pose, now put another leg between your thigh and the calf. And once again, if you were in Ardha Padmasana, do the same. If you were simply seated in the simple pose, change the cross as well. And in another direction. Once again, bring the shoulders up and back. Close your eyes. Inhale, exhale. We won't do Shavasana pose because we want you to be ready for the next day, already energetic. We worked on all of the body. Scan all of the body, how it feels right now. Did it get warmer? And I thank you so much for doing this morning practice with me. If your body feels that you want to do a couple more movements in some direction, please do so. And for the rest, I wish you a pleasant beginning of the day and best of luck in everything that you plan to do. I hope you will be able to achieve great things today. Namaste.